Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Premiere Pro for free. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that is not available for free legally. Adobe offers a free trial version of Premiere Pro that you can use for 7 days. So before you buy the Premiere Pro, just click the free trial version to get the free use of Premiere Pro for 7 days. But after the trial period, you will need to purchase a subscription to continue using this software. And that's how to get Premiere Pro for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.